Welcome to MusePrep, your channel for music theory. This video is about the absolute foundation of music, the musical notation. First, you will learn all about notes, how to write them, what they are called, and how notes can be altered. Let's start with musical notation. You have probably heard that we use a special system to notate music notes. This system consists of 5 staves, which help us determine the pitch and duration of a note. But do these 5 lines actually provide enough space to write a melody? Yes, because you can place notes both on the lines and in between the lines. Here's a little quiz for you. How many notes can fit in total in our system called staff? Pause the video briefly and count for yourself. Correct. There are 9 notes. 5 notes are on the lines, and 4 are in the spaces between them, which we can notate without ledger lines. If you add 1 note below the bottom line and 1 above the top line, the total increases to 11, so that answer would also be correct. With the help of ledger lines, we can notate even more pitches, including those that are very high or very low and do not fit within the staff. An important distinction concerns the clef. Look at this note. Can you determine its pitch? The answer is no, because we lack the appropriate clef needed to determine a pitch. We distinguish between the treble clef, also known as the G clef, and the bass clef, also known as the F clef. The G clef, commonly referred to as the treble clef, always determines the pitch G1. You can see here that the loop of the G clef points to this pitch. So, what could the F clef indicate? Quite simply, it indicates the small f located between the 2 dots of the bass clef. With some imagination, you can also see that indeed the bass clef looks like an F, and the treble clef resembles a G. Now, it's your turn. Do you know one of these clefs from your instrument? Do you even know both? Think about which instrument uses both clefs. The resolution will follow in the next video.